So let's get serious for a minute. Word of advice. All those techniques are extremely effective. They are actual martial arts techniques that have been refined for centuries in order to do one thing: get rid of the guy in front of you. So if you use them wisely, and when you practice them, never ever ever practice them at full speed, full strength, full power, full anything. Okay? Deal? Good. You don't want to hurt yourself, you don't want to hurt the person in front of you, your partner. That would make us both very, very unhappy. So be safe, be careful, practice slowly, learn slowly, practice precisely and accurately, and you will reap the benefits. If you practice too fast or too strong or too powerful, you'll hurt yourself, you'll hurt your partner. Not good. Okay? Be cautious, be careful.